37. The Serpent in the Fence. One of my favourite verses has long been Ecclesiastes 10:8, which concludes, "Whoso breaketh an hedge or fence, a serpent shall bite him." Anyone who knows me very long will hear that verse. What does it mean? Fences in Bible times were often hedge fences, sometimes of thorny bushes. These kept cattle out of grain fields, orchards, vineyards, and gardens. It was a temptation to some whose pastures were dry and barren to break a fence at night and let their cattle go into a neighbour's field to eat, and then to claim the cattle did it. There was, however, a big reason why such hedge fences were rarely broken. They became hiding places for poisonous snakes. Thus, anyone breaking through a hedge fence was almost certain to get bitten. The meaning is this: anyone who breaks God's law finds his judgment written into his violation. The law or fence he breaks has within it God's judgment against him, so there is no escape. Instead of leading to good pasture, it leads to death. Today, all around us, men, old and young, are breaking the fences of God's law order. They believe all this leads to a happy and free world. Don't you believe it, and never follow them through that break in the wall? Death awaits there to strike the trespasser. Instead of freedom from God and His law, the result is judgment and death. All around us, men who are trespassers against God's law are facing the judgment of death. If we believe in the Lord and know His word to be truth, we know this is so. Therefore, let the dead bury the dead. We have work to do, repairing the fences, proclaiming God's sovereign power and grace unto salvation, exercising dominion and subduing the earth in His name, and rejoicing together as heirs of the grace of life. 1 Peter 3:7. Therefore rejoice. In a sinful world, it is only natural that there are problems and lawlessness, but even more, there is also God's government, judgment, and grace. Those who break God's fences face death. Those who are the redeemed of God have life, joy, and peace, and they strengthen the fences.